Boom! What's going on, YouTube? Case back here, bringing you guys another POV test drive of my 3 Series BMW. This is a 2008 E90 generation, pre-LCI. As you can see, I got different set of rims from the OEM. I have the xenon headlight package and some other cool features. I really love this car. But yeah, let's get on inside and get this video going. Let me adjust my mirrors, but it's a 08. Love the interior. I actually did some DoorDash in this, believe it or not. And it actually wasn't too bad. To me, this car feels like just a little tank, honestly. In terms of the just what it can do and stuff. We got a Tesla 5 on me. I gotta get one of the Teslas ASAP. But yeah, guys, enjoy this drive. This is gonna be a little tour of the area as well. I mean, this little area has changed so much. Yeah, let me get going. As you can see, it's good on, you know, any type of traffic situation. So yeah, that minivan Honda, I don't know what the hurry is, but they're going so fast. Oh, and then we're gonna get stuck. Good thing about the tinted windows is they can't really see that I you know, have this like camera set up. It's probably so distracting for someone to see this. But I basically have my GoPro mounted to a hat, almost eye level basically. It's not obstructing my view at all. I've done so many POV videos with this GoPro. Shout out to GoPro. They've come in super clutch and definitely delivered on their product. I've used this GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition for so many videos. It does 4K as well as 2.7K and 1080p, which is just different resolutions. But I like to just go with the 2.7K just because the file size isn't as big as the 4K, but you still get that A1 quality basically. But guys, this BMW 328xi, I mean, this thing is sweet. This thing is sweet, sweet, sweet. Keeps on trucking, and I'm glad to be the owner of this car, honestly. I've done so much with it, and it's been such a good vehicle. Can't wait to take it up. I just bought a snowboard. It's back there. I bought a snowboard. Definitely gonna do some snowboarding GoPro videos on my channel, hopefully. But it's a Burton snowboard. Give you a quick look back there. But look how versatile the car is. I had the seat down so I could fit it. This is great for just my needs right now. But beautiful day out, completely sunny. It's pretty much blinding how beautiful it is. But as you can see, I mean, this inline 6, oh, I don't know what this person is doing. I mean, it is just crazy. I love giving a little gas. I mean, this thing just, the feeling of the acceleration is so linear because it's naturally aspirated. And the inline 6 is just so, like, it's a good engine. This N52 engine is really good. It definitely has its weak points, but once you fix those, this thing is A1. Another Beamer driver. Looking good on the road. But my color on the outside is actually Monaco blue, if anyone was wondering. And then I have a tan interior, and it's crazy to me. I've never had tan interior. It feels very luxurious having tan interior in a car. I don't know why, especially when it's leather and stuff. It just feels premium. But yeah, I just gotta change the control arms in the front, and this car should be pretty mint. Love this car, man. I mean, all the gears shift really smooth. I did a transmission fluid change recently. I have to do my valve cover. That's gonna be interesting. It's probably gonna be the biggest job I've done. I'm probably gonna do it myself just because it costs a lot to take it to the mechanic to get that job done. I see why. It's very time consuming, but I wouldn't necessarily say it's like rocket science. It's not like suspension work. Suspension work's a little more tedious because you have to have it in the air. But the valve cover should be done probably, I'm guessing springtime, depending. I am looking at other cars right now. I don't know which one specifically. I'm gonna keep that little secret from the viewers. But I've had Priuses on this. I've had so many cars on this channel. I'm just gonna keep posting things I like, but this 3 Series has such a special place in my heart. Love the heated seats. These heated seats, they have to be one of the best heated seats in any car. I'm not even kidding. Like, for some reason, the Beamer seats, I'm telling you, even coming from, I asked an Audi person, and they were even like, wow, these seats are good. Like, he was impressed by the fact of the seat warmers. And then we're stuck by this guy. Wow, this is fun. Welcome to the vlog, guys. I don't even know what to call this. Either a POV test drive, a vlog drive. I don't know. I just like whipping out the camera and driving and talking. It's very therapeutic to me. And hopefully I can get some followers off, you know, the common interests. So be sure to like this video and subscribe if you guys have not. Check out my other content. I'm probably going to be focusing on vehicle videos, stuff about cars, automotive stuff. I'm just super passionate about it. And video games. Those are like my 2 most biggest passions. And yeah, give it a nice little pull right here. Oh, it sounds so good when it gets going. It's like, here, I'll give you guys another pull. Oh man, that feels good. That feels so good. Oh my gosh. I also I bought some Yeet concert tickets. He's gonna be visiting my area. I'm gonna definitely check him out. I think he definitely broke the industry. He like made like a new genre of music. Shout out Yeet. But yeah, guys, I'm super excited for 2023. Gonna have to do some more interviews. My little brother is like a pro Valorant player, so definitely gonna have to have him on the channel. And yeah, guys, we're just out here. This is one of my favorite roads right here. I'm not gonna go too crazy, but yeah. Back roads and the Beamer is so nice. Wow, look at that house. Holy moly. They got the inflatable gang. But man, check out, like I said, guys, check out my other stuff. Comment down below what you guys like. This is just another update video. Didn't want to make it too long, but thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Peace.